The silly swamp of shapes. The Silly Swamp of Shapes by Wes Ware. Welcome to the Swamp of Shapes. It's the place to be. Let's make sure we have some fun with every shape we see. You see, we're hanging out in the swamp. The creatures in the silly swamp will help along the way. They love to play with all these shapes each and every day. You got the alligator and a hippo, a bat, some frogs in their lily pads. Squishy, squirmy, wiggly worms make squares for you and me. If we were to count the squares, how many would there be? So a square has 4 sides. And how many squares do you see? We see 1, 2, 3. There's 3 squares that the worms have made. A circle is amazing. It never really ends. Round and round it goes, like a snail who's chasing his friends. You can see, here's the circle, and here's the snail chasing his friends. He's got another snail and the ant, and they just keep going in a circle. Triangle wings keep Bobby Bat from falling to the ground. Furiously flapping up and down, they take him all around. You can see Bobby the Bat has triangle wings. You can see his triangle. Alligator makes rectangles from squares. She'll stretch and pull them out of shape and sell them at the fair. You can see the rectangle. It also has 4 sides, but it's a lot longer than a square. You can see how Allie's pulling the square to make it into a rectangle. Harvey Hippo had a circle. On top of it, he sat. His circle is an oval now. He almost squashed it flat. You see, an oval is an elongated circle. See where he sat on the circle and it squished out on the sides and made it an oval. There's 3 more shapes for you to see. A heart is one of them. It's given by Samantha Snake to Salamander Sam. She gave him a heart. See the heart shapes? We all do heart shapes for Valentine's Day. A star can have a lot of points. This one has just 5. Harry Hornet wears a star. He's the sheriff of the hive. You can see the star, and most sheriff badges back in the Old West were known to be 5-pointed stars. When angelfish swim tail to tail, a diamond's what you see. Hold your finger to the page and trace the shape with me. See, they're tail to tail, and they make, what do they make? They make a diamond. Do you see the many shapes that we have talked about? Can you help Miss Lola Lizard say their names out loud? What shapes does everybody see? I see a square and a triangle and a rectangle. What's this one? A star, a circle, a heart. Anybody? Squish circle is a oval, and then you have a diamond. We've seen a lot of shapes today. In this, our little book, Come back soon. We'll start again and have another look. It's time for them all to go to bed.